Hey everyone, welcome back. So we are here for a PR unboxing, and this stuff is actually relatively new because I just picked it up from the UPS mailbox not too long ago. So it's not going to be old stuff, even though we have still a lot of old stuff to go through. But anyways, I just want to say thank you to everyone for all the love and support that you guys have DM'd me, commented to me. It feels like such a weight has been lifted off my shoulders, and I'm really thankful. So thank you so much. And let's keep this video up and happy. It's actually a very gloomy day here in San Diego right now. So I'm actually like in sweats. And how weird is it without extensions? Oh my goodness. I'm actually like working on going to nurse my hair back to health. I'm actually using this Kerastase stuff that's supposed to be really good for like breakage and shedding. And then I'm trying the Vegamore that they sent over, their like serum. And we're gonna see if it helps. So, but right now I feel like I'm bald. I'm like, I miss my hair, but I am gonna get some extensions back in, but I'm gonna do just a minimal version of it. And we're going to put them in to where they're gonna help my hair nurse back to health, and they're not gonna damage it, because I didn't realize how badly they could damage your hair. And I think that is exactly what happened with me. So learn from me and don't do that. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this PR unboxing. Everything that I will be showing in this video will be linked down below. I try to make it really easy for you guys if you want to take a closer look at any of the products and prices and all that. And then also comment down below what you're most excited about and what you would love to see a review on, because I can definitely do that. I'm wondering if we should do like little mini reviews on like Instagram and TikTok of what we have here in PR unboxings to make them quicker and like help them get out. Let me know your guys' thoughts on that. But oh, this first one's a good one. We have Obagi. I love Obagi. Their stuff is so good. There's like one product from them that I've been using for like 10 years, and it's their like therapeutic lotion. It's so good for zapping away zits. Like, boom, it takes them away. So this is what Obagi sent over. It looks like a new product, and it's an age citral complex, and it has NAD+ in it. And I love NAD+. I used to inject it. I still have some. I need to get back into the routine. I just forgot. But honestly, when I did it, you could see a glow in your skin. I could see a huge glow in my skin. And honestly, my skin has gotten way better too, also from Moxie and BBL. I did 3 sessions of that, and that was like a game changer. I need to do a video on that because that changed my skin too. But I love NAD+. How to use is you cleanse and tone your face, and then you apply the Nugent. And this is what the Nugent is in here. So they have it right here. This is the serum. And you basically apply it face in the morning and night. So you do it morning and night, and what it's supposed to do is it's going to help rewind your skin's age by up to 6 years. Ooh, that sounds really good. So definitely need to add this into my routine. I try not to do too many actives though, so I have to be careful. I try to keep it simple, because if I do too many actives, my skin just starts looking red and inflamed. So I will slowly incorporate this in. I am so excited for this. All right, so T3 sent over the SinglePass Smooth Straightener. I am dying to try this. I saw this on TikTok and I was like, this looks so good. It's a professional 1-inch flat iron with extra long plates. But like when it just like, I saw one girl do it with like curly hair, and it just like one pass, smooth, and it just calmed the hair. It looks so good, and I'm so excited to try this. And also, this color is so pretty. It's a really pretty blush pink. It's nice and light. Oh my God, I'm so excited for this. And this will also be really good for the girls' hair too. So thank you, T3, for sending over this. You guys, I'll have this link down below. I will definitely do a video on this one because I am really excited. I've been trying to hunt for a good straightener and I have not found one. I have tried so many different kinds, like high-end kinds, and nothing is that great. And I'm really, really stoked to try this baby out. Okay, so next up we have a package from Naturium. Good chemistry starts in the shower. I love their products, by the way, you guys. They are so good. Wait, what's this one? You know I love their body wash. I'm already almost out of another one. This is the Multi-Peptide Advanced Body Wash. Rejuvenates, cleanse, smooth for healthy looking skin. And it's also fragrance free. Ooh, oh, they give you a cute little mirror too. That's great to have in your purse. But right here, I also love this packaging too. It makes it so easy to pump it out onto my like little loofah and wash my body. So I'm very excited about that. Okay, so it says it has peptides and antioxidants, so it's going to condition your skin and protect it from environmental stressors. It's coconut-derived surfactants, which will lift away oil impurities, plus add a silky feel during cleansing. Has glycerin 2%, tracks and retains moisture, and then also has vitamin E. So that's going to work to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. So really excited about this. I cannot wait to try it out. I'm very excited about a new body wash because I love their other ones so much too. Okay, next up from Cured, they sent over some of their Dream Gummies, Deep Sleep and Restoration, Reclaim Your Nights. I wonder what's in this. Take 1 gummy 30 to 60 minutes before bed. If needed, take up to 2 to support restful sleep. It is melatonin free, infused with CBN. Oh, it's a microdose of THC. I don't know if I really love like the microdosing of THC because that stuff just kind of gives me a headache sometimes. So I don't know. I don't even see magnesium. Like I take magnesium glycinate every night to help me sleep and that works out great. I've never tried anything like this. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared to try something like this. But we'll see. It's the flavor strawberry. Maybe I'll give it a go and I'll give you guys an update. I'm just really scared I'm gonna get a headache from it. If you guys have tried anything like that, let me know and let me know your thoughts and like what your experience was. I just got mushrooms. Like what is going on right now? Oh my God. Like what? Here we go. All right, so we've got Alice. This really is like Alice. You guys know Alice in Wonderland with all the potions. Yeah, it's totally, yeah. Anyways, so we have Alice. This is a mushroom chocolate. They're daily bites for focus and energy. So they're supposed to help with focus and energy. If you guys have ever tried anything like this too, let me know. I'm a little scared. I would have to look into these and see, but they're vegan and gluten-free too. So, and they're supposed to help with being focused and energy, which is something that I really need right now. I need just energy. But yeah, I'm gonna read more about these before I try them to see if I wanna try them. Again, let me know if you guys have ever tried the Alice mushroom chocolate. I've never tried anything like that. Okay, so next up from First Aid Beauty, they sent over a couple products here and we have some good travel size ones. So they sent over the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. And then we also have it in the travel version. So you can get it in the big tub or you could do travel. And we also have the travel one of the ingrown hair pads and body and face. So these are BHA and AHA. So basically this is gonna help you if any ingrown hairs or anything like that. And I gotta try these. I know I've had these before, I've just never tried them, but I do have like an ingrown hair like right here underneath my arm that I need to do something with. So maybe I'll try this out on it and see how it works. But thank you First Aid Beauty for sending that over. And then next up, I have a package from the 7 Virtues introducing strawberry jam. So it looks like we have a scent here. So the top note is a strawberry nutty pistachio. That sounds really, really nice because I love kind of more like fruity scents. I just feel like they're like more fresh. And they sent over both sides right here. So I'm gonna try this little travel one. I'm not wearing anything right now, so this is perfect. Oh, this smells good. This is a very nice, light, fruity scent. Nothing like musky or anything like that. It's just like really nice and refreshing actually. This is like the perfect like everyday scent, like something that I would throw on every day in the morning just to like kind of just smell like, oh, you know, fresh day. And yeah, so this actually smells really good. I think this would be a really good one for the spring and the summertime, especially just the notes of it. They're just really just light and that's what I love. I love more like kind of like stronger, muskier scents, you know, for date nights and like nighttime, but this type of stuff is what I love for every day. This is something I would use every day. Okay, so next up, I have a package from Buxom. What do we have? We have new lip pencils. I love new lip pencils. Like, that's my favorite. And I love Buxom lip liners. And it looks like they came out with a new one, you guys. It's called the Powerline Palette Sculpt Lip Pencil. They came out with 11 shades, and oh my goodness, I'm excited. So you can get them at Ulta Beauty or BuxomCosmetics.com. They're $24. They sent them over in this little bag right here. Oh my God, I'm so excited. These are so pretty. Oh, okay, which one? Oh, you know what? Look at this one. This is called Blush Stroke. This looks really pretty. Really, really pretty. So here we go. Oh, these are so nice. You know what these remind me of? They remind me of the new like Makeup Forever ones that are kind of like creamy, more glide on, and they're pigmented, and the colors are gorgeous too. Like, these are such like all wearable colors that I love it that they sent me over these ones, because these are all colors that I would wear. So it makes me really, really happy. We also have Dolly Define, and you know, Dolly is like a little bit more of like a mauve shade. It's like oh, this is gonna be pretty. This is like a rose. Look how pretty that is. You see that? And again, like, it's a really good formula too. I cannot wait to try it out on my lips. Love lip liners. You see my lip liner collection that I got going on right now in my vanity area. I gotta go clean out all the other stuff in my, like, in the filming room that we did, because I have so much makeup sitting in those drawers and stuff that's been sitting there for years that I'm not even touched. I'm like, it's just time. It's probably all expired. I need to do like the biggest clean out ever and like just start over. Oh, okay. This shade you guys need. This is the one to order. This is the shade. Where's your name? Okay. Portrait Pink. Portrait Pink. I will put it down below. This is the one to order. It is really, really pretty. It's a great like your lip color, but better. And it's such a stunning shade. I really like that one a lot. Portrait Pink, that's the guy to get. So thank you so much, Buxom, for sending these over. I'm very excited about them. Cannot wait to use them. I love lip liners. Like, literally lip products and like blush are like some of my favorite products. So thank you. Oh, look it, I got a camera. That's so cool. So this is a blue one. It's called Camp Snap Screen-Free Digital Camera. Eco-friendly, reusable, 500 photos per charge. Just point and shoot. Pre-installed memory card. Oh, no film required. Oh, that's so cool. Don't you wish that we had stuff like this back in the day? Remember we used to use all those like digital cameras that we'd have to toss and everything? Oh, those days. So you can also, there's also a flash. All right, so the way that this works is you can charge it. They give you a little charger with it. You can charge it. It holds up to about 2,000 photos. So it's got a 4 gigabyte memory card in it. And all you do to take out the memory card is I don't really like this part though. This is, you have to unscrew it and then take out the memory card. I don't think that should be like that. I think that there should be like a plug to be able to plug it right into your computer and just like get the photos. To make it a little easier, but I think this is really fun, and I think this actually would be really fun for the girls to play with. And then we got one more package here. I grabbed as many as I could, but I kind of don't want these to be like too crazy long. So you guys let me know. This is the last one, and it is from Philosophy. We love Philosophy. Oh, we got another scent. Okay, look at this. This is so pretty. You see this? And it's Fresh Cream Silk Cloud. Find comfort in the softness of silky clouds with the first fresh cream eau de parfum, a light yet lasting creamy scent that leaves a subtle trail wherever you go. It's available exclusively at Ulta. And then, so that's the new one. And then when you open it up, they gave you the other ones too. That is so pretty. Oh my God, I love this. And then, oh my God, did they give me this scarf? Oh, this is so pretty. You guys, look at this scarf. As you know, like, I've been so into fashion right now, and scarves are huge. And I bought this one like linen dress, and it would look really pretty if I had like kind of like a bigger scarf to tie around like the side in like kind of an asymmetrical way. Like, I don't know, you guys can't really see it, but like kind of like that, like, but underneath. And this one is so pretty. It would be the most beautiful pop of color to an outfit. And you can also take these and tie these on your purses. You could put this in your hair. There's so much you could do with scarves, and they're like really huge for the spring and summer season right now. And I don't have one like this. This is really pretty. I also just bought like a really pretty light, like kind of sky blue one from Aritzia. But this is one I don't have anything like this. This is perfect. This is so gorgeous. Okay, so this one is airy and comforting, which sounds exactly something that I would love. Chantilly Accord, Delicate Jasmine, Intimate. Oh, the vanilla too. That also would smell really good. I'm gonna put it on this one. Oh. Oh my God, I love this one. This one smells so good. It smells so good. I love it. You guys would like, this is another good like everyday one. I actually think I like this one better than the other one that I sprayed earlier in the pure unboxing. Smells so good. Again, this one is called the Fresh Cream Silk Cloud. Really nice. They also sent over a warm cashmere, which is a juicy tangerine cashmere wood vanilla bean. And then we also have the soft velvet fresh cream. This is indulgent, comforting. It's ginger accord, Casablanca lily, and vanilla and chocolate. So I feel like this one's gonna be, I feel like this is another one that I'm gonna really like. But thank you so much to Philosophy for sending these 3 over. I cannot wait to use them. This is definitely gonna be a new like during the day one for me too. It smells so good. I'm gonna spray these ones later because I've got way too many scents going on, so I'm not gonna really get the full smell from these. So I'll keep you guys updated on the other 2. I've never tried these ones either before. All right, so that's everything in this PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, everything will be linked down below for you. And thank you guys so much for all your love and support. I really appreciate it. And you guys are the best. So I'm really excited. I also got some really good video ideas from you that I'm gonna start writing down in my notebook. I went and got a new notebook and a new agenda too, because I haven't been using anything like that anymore because I've stopped working. But I'm such a girl that loves to write everything down. I do not like putting things on a computer. I like to write them out and like look at them, and that's how I work. So I'm really excited to dive into everything, plan different content, and just get back into it. So thank you guys for all the wonderful, wonderful ideas. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.